SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, is a programming language used to manage and manipulate databases. It helps you store data in an organized way, retrieve specific pieces of data when you need them, update data that's already there, delete data you don't need anymore. Think of SQL as the language that lets you talk to databases to get information and make changes. Imagine that you are creating a database for a computer school. You must create tables for teachers, students, courses, and lesson schedules. The student table has the following fields: student ID, last name, first name, email, age, gender, and start date. To get information about students, you can use SQL. To write your first query, type select, then type an asterisk character, and then type from students. This query returns all records from the student table. The asterisk character substitutes the list of all table columns. You can use the upper or lower case. It does not matter. The result will be the same. You can see the result in my screenshot. You can display not all columns but only those columns you need. The column sequence, in your SQL query, can be not the same as in the table. You can write, select first name, last name, phone, email from students. You will see the selected columns values for all students in the table. If you do not want to select data for all students, use the where clause, which includes a search condition. For example, select first name, last name, phone, email, age from students where age greater than 20. The query result will include only students older than 20 years. Let's say, you want to select only female students which age is less or equals 25 years. You can modify your previous query. Select first name, last name, age from students, where age less than equals 25, and gender equals female. You will see the female students' records which age less than or equals 25. If you want to select female students with the age between 25 and 30-year-old, you can write the following query: select first name, last name, age from students, where age between 25 and 30 and gender equals female. You can get the same result with the following query: select first name, last name, age from students, where age greater than equals 25 and age less than equals 30 and gender equals female. In both cases you get two students, Molly James, 30 years old, and an Allison Cromet, 25 years old. Molly James goes first. Then goes Allison Cromet. How to change the record's order? To change the record order you must add the order by clause. You can write, select first name, last name, age from students where age greater than equals 25 and age less than equals 30 and gender equals female, order by age. By default, order by age sorts records by age, in ascending order. That is why Allison Cromet, 25 years old, selected first. You can change sorting to descending order by adding DESC keyword. Select first name, last name, age from students where age greater than equals 25 and age less than equals 30 and gender equals female, order by age. DESC. Now, 30-year-old student goes first and 25-year-old student is the second. You can practice SQL on our website. On the main menu, select Learn SQL web page and scroll down. You will see a Select Query drop-down list with the query examples. You can choose any query description. The related query will be displayed in the query text area. Click the Execute button and see the result. Or, you can type your own query in the query text area, as I did in this video. Happy learning! Here is the Learn SQL web page URL. Type it in the browser. Buy the book now. Boost your career prospects. Proficiency in SQL is a highly sought-after skill in today's data-driven job market. You can find a link to the book's Amazon page and a comment under this video.